Right now we are in Novotel Hyderabad Convention Center, and here today we have a special brunch on Bonalu Festival which is going to be happen on this Sunday. And let us ask the chef, Satya Garu is right now with us, and let us ask the chef what are the dishes that are available here and what are the starters they are just providing here. So let us ask Mr. Satya Garu.
Hi, namaste. I am Satya, working as an executive sous chef in Hotel Hyderabad Convention Center. So today we doing a festival like Bonalu. It's our Telangana traditional one. It comes on every year July. So starting from about the food, we have chosen all the authentic food which is from the home, from Telangana, from all the rurals and from the villages. If you see small things, you have for the festival. The main thing is mamsam, potelo, and natukodi. These two are the key for the festival. So where we worship and offer to the Mata. So the same thing, we have put few options of Telangana dishes as well as Bonalu dishes. So it's properly like a Telangana feast on our Sunday brunch. If you see mamsam nalli kura, natukodi kura, koramenu chapa from the non-veg, bagarannam, mutton biryani. So these are non-veg options. If we are say ragi sangati, pachi pulsu, we have birakai chenga pappu curry, wankai kura. So this is all the combination of veg, non-veg. For the salad, we have like sundal, perugu pachadi, homemade pickles. This all available in our Pata buffet. More than 50 varieties of options are there in our brunch buffet, as well as your desserts, cold buffet and hot.
So about the precautions, sir, what kind of a precautions you are just taking up after the second wave hit the pandemic? So what kind of a precautions one need to take when coming to the HICC?
So healthy is without any symptom. From the entrance only, we check the temperature of the guests. We provide sanitizer. If they need a mask, they have to come with the mask. And from the registration to the hotel to inside the restaurant, we have all the precautions like sanitizers everywhere, face mask and hand gloves. If they want dining with us with the family, we have separate face shield between the table to table. So every options of safety is available. We have guests nowadays. Guests are so supportive. They are also helping us with the social distance. So that became easy to us to maintain the buffet as well.
So is that only for one day the brunch is going to be happen, that is on Sunday, or else in next Sunday is also being continued?
One is on Secunderabad Bonalu on 25th. The other one next Sunday, the Lal Darbar, what we do traditionally. Do 2 Sundays we are doing.
So about 50 plus dishes that are available for the brunch. Here NHCC, Novotel Hyderabad Convention Center, is going to be with a big festival on Sunday of 25th and 1st of August. So people of Hyderabad who are interested in having this special brunch available in Novotel Hyderabad Convention Center can just come in and enjoy this special brunch. So this is Chaitanya signing off, and with your cameraman Ramu.